We are the driving force as individuals, as communities, and as part of society. Working as individuals, individuals working as a community, and individuals lobbying Parliament and big business. It's got to be everywhere. It's got to be throughout every avenue. It's really important that we do this. I wanted to give away what I could to people to help them to grow food. We weren't sure about our food security. It was a very, very worrying time. And so I decided that I had grown all the seeds I needed. And so all my spare seeds I would give away. So I just set up a little Facebook group called the Incredible Seed Library. The idea being, because the post was still working during lockdown, send me a stamped addressed envelope and I'll send you free seeds. You can have 5 packets of free seeds. And it really took off. It just became such a generous time. People just sent me seeds to give away. And so within 2 weeks, we went from being 20 different varieties of seeds that I save to being 100 different varieties of seeds that we could give away. People really wanted to connect. They really wanted to share and they really wanted to grow. It was of the moment and became a really rich, fantastic experience. So I would actually pick out, this is the 5 for you guys. We've only got a few left, so I'd probably give you all of what we've got left there now, because we're at the end of the year, we'll have some fresh ones coming through. And so they would then be taken out of this jar and put into a little tiny seed packet. So these are just little tiny seed envelopes. And then that seed envelope is popped into one of these. These are hand-printed seed library envelopes. And then it'll be sealed up and popped into your post, and you can have up to 10 packets of seeds free. But it's a library, so the idea behind a library is, of course, that you borrow seeds, you grow them, you save seeds, and then you send them back. And so that then encourages other people to be able to borrow and grow seeds. So when we first started, you could only have 5 packets of seeds because we were only just starting. But now in year 2, we've upped that to 10 packets of seeds because we have such a lot of seeds we can give away. Then it's just laid down, and this is a clean roller, and again corner to corner. And there's a printed seed packet, so there's space also to write what it is that you're actually putting into the seed packet. Young people, many young people, are really aware of the environment and the environmental impact. We have an immediate history of being incredibly wasteful, and our children and our children's children are inheriting our problems, and they rightfully are outraged and are therefore doing something about it. individuals working as individuals working as a community, and individuals lobbying Parliament and big business. It's got to be everywhere. It's got to be throughout every avenue. It's really important that we do this. Lobby your council, lobby your MP, lobby your local, kind of big firms, because they also are expected to have wildlife policies. So you can, have a bit of a nag, go for it.